it's Brooke with WTI. If you have issues with big gaps underneath your doors, I have found the perfect solution for you. These door draft stoppers by AIMINTSEN have been exactly what we were looking for. I wanted to find something that would block the noise and the light without having to replace the whole door. They are so easy to install. These are 2 inches wide by 39 inches long, so you've got plenty of space. Whether it's a big gap or a wide door, there will be lots to cover. These came in a pack of 2. My main reason for getting them was for my baby's bedroom, but we also had just a really ugly looking front door with some gaps underneath that was letting the cool air in the winter. So I was able to put one there also. It was a great way to fix the door without having to replace the whole thing to make it a little bit better. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to fix some gaps in your doors or to stop the draft from coming into your home, I highly recommend these draft stoppers. We love them. They were super easy to use, and that's my point of view.